I wanna show you how to take off a Volkswagen Jetta MK6 2014 hood with no sign of removal. At first, you need to take off the engine noise heat insulation cover. To start with removing all the plastic clips. You can remove it with your hands. Just press a clip together and pull it. Or use the trim tool and do the same. Do the same procedure with all the red clips. After removing all clips, hood looks like that. Next, needs to take off wires and the water spray nozzles. To do that, you need just press it up and towards you. Next, disconnect the wires and the hoses. Press this little button and pull. There is a plastic clip on it. Next step, disconnect this hose. Same way with other side. Gently pull the wires out. Next step, take a piece of paper duct tape and do a 2 wraps around each bolt. So you can mark position of each nut, so it will help you to install it back at the same place. Take a 13 mm socket, it will sit on a nut very tight, and unscrew all nuts. But to do so, you will need a helper to hold a hood. It will look like that after unscrew. So, when you install it back at the place, you can take off the duct tape and the paint will be okay.